X now allows Premium Plus users and organizations to publish articles. X announced a new long-form post format called Articles today. The feature, which is only available to Premium Plus subscribers and verified organizations, lets users publish posts with text formatting, other X posts and embedded videos and images, akin to a post on a WordPress-like content management system or an article on Medium. Last year, the Elon Musk-owned social network increased the limit for long posts to 25,000 characters for paying users. The limit for an article is seemingly higher at 100,000 characters, as noted by Engadget. This post by Chris Back indicates users can add bulleted lists and hyperlinked text to the post as well. Back's job listing company Lasky was acquired by X last year. Twitter debuted Notes as a long-form publishing medium in 2022 before Musk took over the company. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, like and share this video. Thanks.